Look at these visuals for a second. Every single shot you're seeing right now was created using AI. Cinematic scenes, smooth motion, realistic quality, and the crazy part is everything was made from simple prompts. But here's the problem. Most people can't create videos like this consistently because the workflow is very confusing. One tool for AI videos, another tool for images, another one for AI voices, then another subscription for avatars. And after all of that, you still don't get access to the best AI models without paying even more money. And that's exactly why I started using Loova AI. Instead of opening 5 different websites every day, Loova AI gives you almost everything in one dashboard. AI video generation, AI image tools, AI avatars, AI voices, and many of the hottest AI creator tools are already built into the platform. And the biggest reason why this platform blew my mind, unlimited access to Seedance 2. If you know anything about AI videos, then you already know how powerful Seedance is for creating cinematic quality scenes with insanely smooth motion and high consistency. Normally, tools like this can become expensive really fast, but inside Loova AI, you can actually use it without constantly worrying about limits. And it doesn't stop there. You also get access to powerful image models like GPT, Image 2, and Nano Banana Pro, which means you can generate thumbnails, characters, concepts, scenes, and creative assets from the same place without switching between tools again and again. Honestly, this is probably one of the biggest reasons why creators are moving toward all-in-one AI platforms now. It saves a massive amount of time, makes content creation faster, and removes the complicated workflow that usually stops beginners from creating consistently. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use all of this to create high-quality AI content, step by step, even if you're completely new to AI tools. To get started with Loova AI, first open your web browser and search for Loova AI on Google. Once you see the results, click on the very first link. Make sure the site you open has the official Loova AI logo, so you don't accidentally go to a fake website. Once you're on the official site, you'll see the dashboard. The next step is to create an account. Just sign up with your email or use your Google account. After you complete the sign up, you'll be taken straight to the main Loova AI dashboard. From here, you have all the tools you need in one place. Your AI workspace is ready, and you can begin creating right away. Once you're on the Loova AI dashboard, you'll see a range of powerful features designed to make your content creation easy. First, you'll meet the Loova AI agent. This agent is like your personal assistant. You don't need complicated prompts. Just chat with the agent naturally, and it will handle all your video creation for you. Next, you have the AI video feature. You can easily turn images into videos, text into videos, and you'll also get a built-in video editor. One of the key tools here is the reference to video feature, which is exactly how I created the video you saw at the beginning. In fact, you'll get access to all the most famous AI models right here, Seedance 2 with unlimited access, along with other top models like Kling, Sora 2, VEO3, Midjourney, and many more. All of these models are available in one place. The same goes for image generation. You'll have all the top models here too. And that's not all. You also get AI avatars, AI voices, and all the hottest AI tools you can think of. Basically, for any content creator, this is like having the entire AI market in one platform. It will save you so much time and money. Now, let me show you how you can create an AI video just like the one I showed you earlier. First, go to the AI video feature and select the option called Reference to Video. Once you open it, choose the video model you want. I'm using Seedance 2 here. You get unlimited generations if you upgrade, but I'm using credits right now. After selecting the model, the next step is to upload your reference images. In my case, I'm uploading multiple character images because I want all of these characters to appear consistently throughout the video. This is one of the best ways to maintain character consistency, especially when you're creating story videos or cinematic scenes. If you already have your own characters, simply upload their images here. And if you don't have any characters yet, that's completely fine too. You can just type a normal prompt and let the AI generate everything for you automatically. For this example, I want more control over the final result, so I'm using my own character reference images. This helps the AI better understand the appearance, style, and details of each character before generating the video. You can also upload extra media like videos or audio files if you want to give the AI even more context for the scene. In most cases, the more clear reference material you provide, the better and more accurate your final result will be. So for now, I'm just going to upload all of my character images here, and then we'll move on to the next step. Once you've uploaded your character images, you can adjust a few basic settings before generating the video. This includes things like your video resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Now, if you have a subscription plan, you'll also see an unlimited option here. You can turn that on to generate videos without using credits, which is honestly great if you create content regularly and want unlimited generations without worrying about credit limits. But for this example, I'm currently using credits, so I'll just click on Generate normally. Now the video is processing, so let's give it a few moments while the AI creates our final result. All right, our video is ready. Let's take a look.
We're close!
Wow, this looks really good. The character consistency is actually very impressive, especially across different scenes. Everything stays aligned exactly how we expected. And not just that, even the sound effects and overall audio quality feel quite natural and well synced with the visuals. The final output looks cinematic and polished, which is honestly the main reason this workflow is so powerful for creators. Now you can judge the result yourself. This is exactly what Loova AI can produce in just a few steps. Let me know what you think in the comments. But to show you that this isn't just a one-time result, let's generate another video. I'm going to use the same characters again, but this time I'll change the prompt to create a completely new scene. So I'll just enter a fresh prompt here and click on Generate again. And here is our second result.
Guys, come here! I found something!
Whoa, this belongs to something huge.
Me neither. I don't like this.
Run!
As you can see, the quality stays just as consistent as the first video. The character design, motion, and overall style remain perfectly aligned, which clearly shows that this is not just a one-time output or random lucky result. This is actually a structured, professional workflow with stable character consistency, smooth motion, proper audio, and cinematic-looking visuals across multiple scenes. And one thing you should always remember, prompting is everything. If your prompt is well-structured and clearly explains the scene, including details like actions, environment, dialogue, sound effects, and background music, then you can consistently get results like this. So if you're a beginner, you can even use ChatGPT to help you build detailed prompts. It makes the process much easier and helps you avoid missing important details. Also, for better character consistency, I highly recommend always uploading your reference images while generating videos. This gives the AI a clear visual guide for your characters. And if you have a subscription plan, you can also take advantage of the unlimited generation option, which allows you to create as many videos as you want without worrying about credits, along with access to other powerful models as well. In Loova AI, you don't just get AI video generation, you get a complete set of AI tools in one place. It's basically an all-in-one AI platform for content creators. Instead of switching between multiple tools for video generation, image creation, avatars, and AI voices, everything is available inside a single dashboard. And before we finish, let me quickly show you the pricing page. One of the most popular options is the Ultimate plan, which includes access to all major video and image models, monthly credits, and one of its biggest highlights, unlimited access to Seedance 2. You also get access to powerful models like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, Kling, and many more, all in the same platform. This not only saves a huge amount of time, but also reduces the cost of paying for multiple subscriptions. Instead of managing different tools and accounts, you can do almost everything from one place, making your content creation workflow much faster, smoother, and more efficient. So if you want to try Loova AI, just go to Google, search for Loova AI, and open the first official result. Then simply sign up and start creating your own AI videos. Also, let me know in the comments what type of AI videos you want to create using Loova AI. I'd really love to hear your ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll be sharing more powerful AI tools, workflows, and step-by-step guides to help you create better content faster. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.